What if Olympias of Epirus never ordered the assassination of her husband Philip II of Macedon in 336 BC? 20-year-old Alexander would never have inherited the throne. Instead, Philip himself would have led the invasion of Persia, using careful, methodical tactics, instead of his son's reckless charges. The conquest would have taken decades, not 13 years. Alexander would have remained just another general under his father's rule, never earning the title, the Great. Without Alexander's lightning-fast campaign, Greek and Persian cultures wouldn't have fused so rapidly across the ancient world. Philip's longer reign would have created a stable Macedonian empire, avoiding the succession crisis that immediately shattered Alexander's conquest after his death. The Hellenistic period as we know it would never have existed. Western philosophy, art, and science would have developed completely differently without Greek culture spreading from Egypt to India in just over a decade. One woman's revenge changed the entire course of civilization.